Indian Super League India Rama Football League Sangber season kalmeka Mizo footballer te hi tu te nge an ni an sul nu tlem nen kan hriat chian le zual nan kan tar lang le dona tun video hi Mizo footballers ISL players bi chian na ti video kan ti chua to part 1 le part 2 chunjom na tur ani video masa part 1 a khan ATK Mohun Bagan East Bengal Hyderabad le Kerala Blasters a khel Mizo player te kan bi chiang to ani kha part 2 a khan Odisha a khel Mizo player te kan ti chuak le a khang te kha en le du ta na all samjok nan description a hian a link kan ronda tele player kan soima bak zinga FC Goa player te hi soima sata ila FC Goa Indian club langsar ber te zinga mi hian Mizoram chul chuak player pahni an kolmeka HP Laramruata le Ayush Dev Chatri te anni HP Laramruata hi Indian Super League website chuan Laramruata PL2 ti in aziak luta kumsom ni mi chawlani in jersey number somsari pariat ahameka player kumlanau pang tak team malam huna player tangkai lani theitura ngai zinga mi ni in FC Goa a hian reserve team a khella in player langsar ber Paul ani thina abikin Reliance Foundation Development League a achet thatna chuan first team a aom theinan an coach te a min ne hle ahun malama Electric Veng FC tal Mizoram Premier League a alo khel to thina tuna FC Goa tan ISL a squad a om phak ta in mun poimo la changha ri lo ma sela player base om berte zinga mi ani meka ISL a hian ala in lan lo na in ahun hi a chuak ve thua in arin om Laramruata PL2 baka hian FC Goa hian Ayush Dev Chatri an kolboka ani hi Mizo dik tak kan ti angkha nilem lo ma sela aizola piang ani a midfielder ni in jersey number som pali a hameka kumsom pakomi chau alani bok player no pang talent nei thaber polani Aizol FC Academy chuak Mizoram Premier League le I League lama po Aizol FC ta na ton hriat lo nei to ani a lano pang hlema se FC Goa hian Aizol FC ta na achevel an enin theina anei sanjia an muchiang hle a season kalmek sangni somni pani somni pathum season atan an laluta ani IUCN season kalmeka match ni khel to in khelmola minute somnga pathum hun amang to a ama a theina om enin timin ngana lungphum poimo zinga mi ani theingei beiseina alian hle Jamshedpur hian Mizo player pathum an kolmeka chungte chu defender Laldin puya pachuaw le Ricky lalom omate baka Laldin liana ren thleite anni Laldin puya pachuaw hian Mizoram Premier League club thin Bethlehem veng thlang tan a khel nuwa chinga veng Mizoram Premier League club a vek ain sona Mizorama Football League sang bera hian ming a cher hle best defender choi moina te hial adong ani kha ti chuan achet thajel na chuan mun sang zoka hlangkai zelin Mizoram ta Santos Trophy a kumsangni som pariat le kumsangni som pakwa te khan inlan tura kauzinga atela hemi nu sangni somni September thla khan Aizol FC azom vele bok ani Aizol FC tan hian I League a match engemaw zat khelin goal te po akhung man hiala dinpuya hi nungtol lovin mason zong li rakalin he mason na chak tak hi Jamshedpur hian an muchiang hle sangni somni pakha somni pahni season trandon khan Jamshedpur hian an laluta tun thlengin he klapa hian ala cham ta zelani tuna kumsomni pangami Jamshedpur ta na jersey number 4 hamek dinpuya hian Indian Super League a hian match sari laya khelve to a khelmola minute janhi samkwa paruk amang to season kalmeka hian he a record hi ati pun ngei a beise om hle Ricky lalom oma hi Mizo player ISL a sulnu nei tampol takani a ahun masalama Aizol FC tan huna mannu in Chamari FC tan a khel le a chumi nuwa zo United tan khel le in anuwa a club hlui Aizol FC tan a khel le a heta tang hian Indian club lar DSK Shivajians le Mohun Bagana te akal le a I League a ton hriat thatak ain siam ta zel ti chuan sangni sompore sompokwa season trandon khan ATK FC khan an laluta Indian Super League a debut season chu ATK FC tan a mangta ani ahun tir lama tang hian left back a khel tir thin ni in he position a hian fak a hlo thin hle a master player thapui pui le ton hriat nei thajok te nen in l an ni a ani ton hriat la nei tam tok lo tan chuan atk a hian beise anga hmun nget chan a har sa ti chuan sang ni somni pakhat season tran don khan Jamshedpur hian la lutin he klapa ero hmun poimo zok changin Ricky hian khelmuala hun a mang tam theita a he thu bo seilai thleng hian rin om takin ala cham ta zelani Ricky hi kumsomthum pakhat mi ni in senior player zinga mi ani a jersey number 6 hamekin season kalmeka Jamshedpur player poimo hian Indian Super League a hian match somruk le pakhat lai khel to in khelmuala minute sanga zathum somthum pali zet hun a mang to a defender ni chungin assist tum khat nei ve to in yellow card tum riat a choi ve to ti lo chu red card ala choi lova tackle hi tum za ni zet nein interception hi tum za panga zet anei to boka block ringot po tum za som pakhat zet nei to in defender che thaber pol ani chhaumeka Jamshedpur tan apoi mo na alian hle laldin lianaren thlai hi kumsomni palimi ni in jersey number somni paruk a hameka din liana hi lanopang hlema se ISL a sur nu anei tha hle a kherira hian kumsomni palimi hian ISL match somruk zat a khel der to a gola khunglo ma se assist tum thum anei to defender rin tlak tak fing tak ni in yellow card pasari le red card pakhat choi to tu din liana hian tackle tum za som kwa zat anei to a interception tum somriat pali le block tum som kwa pani nen a defending hi statistic atang ringot po hian a chelo hle a anget viawani Mizoram Premier League a chinga vengta na khel to thina Mizoram Tan Santos Trophy sangni som pasaria khan kauzinga telbokin sangni som pasari kuma hian chinga veng FC Mizoram Premier League a an champion theinan a tho hlok hle a hemi season a che that em awang hian Aizawl FC chuan lonin an ho zuya Aizawl FC a khellai hian AFC Champions League qualifier match te khelin aton hriat atisang ta zela Iranian club Zob Ahan Esfahan an machon tumin ain lan ani kha tichuan sangni sompare sompakwa season tran don khan din lian hian Chennaian FC chu chinga veng FC atangin free transfer in azoma Chennaian tan hian match sompakhat in lanin he fullback thajat mai hian sangni sompakwa somni season a po Chennaian tan match sompakhat bok khelein ache thathin le a Chennaian a ming a charlan mek la hian sangni somni pakhat season tran dona khan Jamshedpurin thiam taka thlemin andu na chu na satakin an lan tirta a din lian hian Jamshedpur som na chu pomta in sangni somni pakhat season atang khan he tima hian ala omta zela ama a omna Chennaian ai ma in tima atatlumin apoi mo na po alian zual ta mek ani Mumbai City hian lal engmoi ral te le lalian zuala changte te an kol meka lal engmoi ral te hi midfielder ni in kumsomni pahni mi chau alania jersey number somli le panga ahamek ani hi apuyati in hriatlar ani bera kumnau pangte ani atanga football a chilbur thin rol uzok te zinga ngat in khel chu venga thin hi FIFA Under 17 World Cup a India squad a mizo om chhun ni theingat kha ani a AIFF Elite Academy chuak ni in sangni somparia sompakwa season khan Indian Arrows ta na khellain I League match sompakhat alo khel to a sangni sompakwa somni season a khan Northeast United in Chortan vele in hun rei ahman mai Northeastern hian player poimo zinga ain langkai man dera ISL captain hian match soma khelin za somriat point pali panga zet ball a pass dika a passing accurate lutuk ball pass athiam lutuk hi alan sar zual na pakhat atling hial tichuan sangni somni pakhat season a phei khachuan Indian Super League a emerging player of the season a hial than ni in player no pang mabak eng berangai ani ta hiala tichuan Indian club lian ber te zinga mi Mumbai City chuan sangni somni pakhat somni pani season tran don khan lalu tangal chatin tun thlengin Mumbai tan hian ala khel ta zelani apuya hian ISL a match somnga le panga khel to in minute sangli zasari somthum zat khelmola huna mang to a gol khat khung ve to in India tan po lawin lan jak to thin apuya hi ISL a player langsar ber pol ani tameka midfield ta ani hi Indian player a chuan a thaber te huangami ani lalian zola changte hian ISL a match za a khel tling diar to a ani hi Mumbai City tan jersey number 7 hamekin kumsomni pangami chau wanglai hun mangtan mek chau ani a team tan atangkai dan ero ana mai lo hle lian zola hian Notice United tan sangni somparuk khan ISL a khel thana sangni sompasari sompare season khan Delhi Dynamos tan match sompariat khel kim vekin hemi season hian Delhi team a hian match khel kim vek player om chhun ani hial Delhi Dynamos atang hian season ni nuwa sangni sompakwa somni season tandon khan Chennai na ain son le a Chennai tan hian atlang ner nga hle a season ma sabera hian goal sari khungin Indian player zinga ISL a goal khung tamber.2 ani phak hial hei baga hian goal shot anei zinga tumsomni pathum zet goal zone a kalin Indian player zinga season khata goal zone a shot nei tamber record hial ahun lai hian a siam ani chutiang khopa goal ma a lawom thin le talna mai chu Mumbai City chuan lak lu ngei tumin ma an lata a atira lonin an ho phota chumi nuwa a ngetin Mumbai hian an la lut ta a season kalmeka hian Mumbai tan player poimo ani zuita zelani lian zola hian Indian Super League a match za a khel tling to a khel mola minute sang sari zasari somni jet hun mangin goal somni pakhat akhung to ba ka assist tumruk anei to a Indian player ISL a forward mu number Paul atling le mek ani Notice United hian Mizo player pali an kol meka defender Jojo Herliana atang hian tante ang Jojo Herliana hi kumsomni pathum mi ni in jersey number 14 na hameka ani hian Shillong la jong tan te po youth team a lo khel to in MPL club chan maritan po alowin lan to thina FC Pune City tan player no panglang sarber Paul ni thin bokin chutianga ton thria thatak kum no pangte ni chunga anei nuwa kumsan hi sompariat khan Aizawl FC azoma Aizawl FC a hian sangni sompakwa somni season I League khan atangkai zual hle Aizawl FC a huna manzo hian sangni somni pakhat season tandon khan Bengaluru FC in an la lut vele a Bengaluru a hian ISL a ton thiat in siam in beiseina neima sela a beise ang amu mai lo awangin sangni somni pakhat somni pani season tandon khan Northeast United in andu na changin Northeast club tha hi azomta a he club tan hian ISL a season masabera match kwa khelin mun poimo achang phak ve ta a tun thleng hian alarin omta zelani Jojo Herliana hian ISL a match som khel to in khelmola minute zasari pani huna mang to a assist tum khat anei to bok Northeastern Mizo player dang Emmanuel Chanchua kumsomni mian kol boka ani hian jersey number somni pariata hamek Chanchua hian Bengaluru FC youth team a anzir lain player no pang langsar Paul ani a sangni sompakwa somni season a khan Elite League a ache thazual hle hetia youth level a ache thatak wang hian senior team a hlan kai ani a sangni somni pakha season khan Bengaluru senior team a hun a manga senior team a hian mun achan mai theilo awangin mun achan tam theina jok ani beisein sangni somni pakha somni pani season a khan Northeast in an la lut vele a he club a hian ala cham ta zel ani Notice United a hian a season khatna mun changha loma sela a season ni na season kalmek sangni somni pathum season a ero hi chuan match thum a khel der to a team a player poimo zinga mi ni in khelmola minute zanhi somthum pakwa huna mang to a alang sar chhotial tial don ni in alang Notice in Mizo player an kol dang le chu laldan moyaral te hi ani hi kumsomni pakomi ni in jersey number som pasari aha dan moya hian tual chung football a ming acher ma hle ti chu kan thetheu ome Dinthar FC Chalmari FC Chalmari West le Madras Sporting Union tan te po youth level a alo khel zak to thina Mizoram tan Santos Trophy a player poimo Mizoram in Santos Trophy kan lak masak ber sangni som palia kan player poimo ber te zinga mi ni bokin hemi nu lok sangni somparuk khan Aizawl FC in an la lut zuya sangni somparuk sompasari season I League Aizawl FC an champion tuma team in ngana laimu poimo berte zinga mi ani bok ani kha he forward player wing garage horthei atul huna number 10 role po play thei khopa khelmola goal nor konga theina nei sang dan moya hian sangni som pasari khan I League ka Aizawl FC a champion pui hnu loka East Bengal azoma sangni som pare som pakwa season I League ka East Bengal tan goal riat lai akhung nge hemi season hian a teammate Joby Justin ti lawa Indian player goal khung tamber ani phak hiala tichon Hyderabad FC a inson lein sangni som pakwa somni season a khan match nga a khela heta hian sangni somni pakhat thleng chamin sangni somni pakhat September a Northeast United hi azom ta a heta hian ala cham ta zelani dan moya hian ISL a match somni khel to in khelmola minute zaria somruk pariat huna mang to a goalie khungin assist tum khat anei to boka player ton riat nei thatak ani na hi teamin atangkai pui thin hle Northeastern ro chhar zela mizo player forward thatak mai hi an call mek boka ani hi kumsomni palimi ni in jersey number 7 a hamek ro chhar zela hian ahun tirlam hi Aizawl FC a mangin Aizawl FC Academy chuakani a sangni sompasari somparia season khan Aizawl FC ta senior squad a hun a mang tran chau ani ro chhar zela hi player ma son chakber te jinga mi ni in ma son chak zia chu club house a jok le langsar pui pui te chuan an hmu mai lo chiang hle a kum sangni somni khan Northeast United hian sangni somni pakhat season tran ma in an lalu ta nge a Northeast United tan a match masa som pahni atangin goal khat akhung ba ka assist tum ni nain tuna hian ISL a hian match somni le panga lai a khel tling der to a khelmola minute zakwa somthum pahni hun mang to in goal ni akhung to ba ka assist tum ni anei to a I League atanga ISL a chuangkai ro chhar zela hi India Rama Football League sang bera hian atlang nel tavia wani tuna hian Indian Super League Club Bengaluru FC le Chennai Football Club te hian mizo player an kol lova tikhan India Rama Football League sang bera khel mizo player te an vain an chanchin tlang pui le sul nu tlang pui alang sar zual chu kan fruit zauta a trul dang a om chuan kan chui zui zel don ani he video hi India Super League website be chana siam ani ti kan soinon le boke